Welcome to Village Nature Paris or Village Nature Paris. It is a Center Parks Pierre Vacances group vacation really close to Disneyland Paris. It's only a 5 to 10 minute drive actually. And it has one of the biggest water parks you have ever seen. Village Nature is themed around all the nature, and you can see that everywhere. There's green and plants. This beautiful lake, and with all the green, and as you can see, over there you see the apartments, and you can see that they are actually collided into nature, and that was on purpose. What this hotel, or well, more vacation resort, is Disneyland Paris. It's not a partner hotel. It is not a Disney hotel. It's a little bit different. So it is a hotel with a partnership, but not a partner hotel, because there are no shuttle buses there, and you can get your extra magic hours with it. So let me give you a short tour through the cottages. Well, we have a premium apartment for 2 people. So, this is the kitchen. You have your own kitchenette where you can cook. You have your own oven where you can make your own sandwiches or croissants in the morning, which is really cool. Your fridge. What we did, we brought our own water and we brought our own drinks, so we would have something refreshing after the parks, or had something refreshing before. Also really cool, the theme is obviously nature, which can be shown throughout all the decoration, with the wall, with the art, and of course our inside outdoor living. Look at this. Let me show you where the magic happens. Well, magic happens after a day of Disney parks, which is a good night of sleep. Toilet. This one doesn't flush really well, so make sure to check that. And bathroom with a hairdryer. And like every good hotel, a safe. How do you do that? Okay, shut it, enter a 4-digit code, let's say 4141. Oh, and then hashtag closed, hold the door, opening, enter the same code. This is the same code we used in the B&B hotel video. Ta-da! Village Nature, you have all these kinds of cottages and also apartments. Behind me you can see all the apartments, and as you can see, they're all in the theme of nature. When we first got here, we were here only a couple months after the opening. It wasn't as fully grown. They were only like little plants, but now they have grown into an actual village of nature, which is really cool. There are aspects of Village Nature which are completely free. It's one big playground. Like behind you can see, it's a free chest. And no, you don't see an automat where you have to put in money. No, you can use it for free. And there are all these kinds of things. You have an educational farm, you have all playgrounds. If you bring your own toys and supplies, you can also do a little ping pong. its own promenade where you can buy or go to eat in several restaurants and supermarkets. For example, they have Supermarkt Franprix, which is open every day from 7:30 until 10 in the evening. And you, well, 7:30 in the morning to 10 in the evening. You have a boulangerie, you have a pianos, yum yum burgers, you have a playground, you also have a bowling center. There's so much to explore. If you want to have a detailed description of what you can find on the promenade, go to our website. We have a link down below in our description. When is happy hour? I don't have to drive anywhere. Every evening from 4 till 6. Look up there, all these apartments.
Yes, they are VIP apartments.
Oh, that's so cool. We've been to one VIP apartment before and we had a whirlpool and an amazing location. Well, obviously above the promenade is the best location you can get. There's also a Disney Kids Club for a Disney Nature Kids Club, and it's from kids from 3 to 12 years old. And if you want to know more, you have a QR code on the poster in front of the Disney Nature Kids Club. Paris has also a lot to offer in different facilities, like this educational farm where you have this huge indoor playground which is called Let's Play, but written as the French word lait, like milk, and it's about how milk is made, which is really cool. You can also admire some animals they have, and you can teach things about the farm. At Vacances you can find a lot of paid and free activities. An example of a free activity is, for example, the play forest. And as you can see, if you look just on the right, you can see the swimming pool. So that means that it's really close. So let's go and let's explore this playground forest together. Most playing things are until you're 14 years old. So as adults we cannot try them, even though I would like to. But even if you're a grown-up, it is really nice and cool in this forest. I mean, it is a pretty hot day and I immediately cooled up, and it's great for your kids. When you decide to stay at Vacances Paris, you can choose between two kinds of accommodations. The first is apartments and the second one is cottages. This is one of the best water parks we have ever seen, at least in Europe, with this wonderful and adventurous slides, with a best lazy river outside and an infinity pool during the summer season. Well, I can't wait. I'm still trying. gonna say bye-bye. Have it, Village Nature Paris or Village Nature Paris, really close to Disneyland Paris. We have one last tip for you. If you want to have a more relaxed vacation and do not want the intensity of Disneyland Paris, this is the resort hotel for you, because you can go swimming, do all these kinds of activities and just relax. So use that. If you like this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up. If you like more content like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel. It is completely free. If you have any questions, contact us on the social media. We have the description down below. And of course, we hope you will have the most magical stay at Disneyland Paris. We love to help you, and thank you so much for watching. We see you next time. Bye bye.